Alright, so is an epic moment of your life. You're about to learn the quadratic formula. Now, the quadratic formula is needed for quadratic equations like this. Now, typically we would take the last number here and find the roots for it, like 10 and 1, or factors of it. Negative 10 times negative 1, 2 times 5, and negative 2 times negative 5. But we got a problem with this one. Okay, so 10 plus 1 equals 11. That doesn't equal 2, so we're trying to get 2. 10 plus 1 equals 11. That's not 2. Negative 10 minus 1 equals negative 11. That's not 2. 2 plus 5 equals 7. That's not 2. Negative 2 plus negative 5 equals negative 7. That's not 2. Oh no, what do we do? Well, there's something called a quadratic formula that you need to use in this equation, in this situation. So here's the quadratic formula. I'm just going to say quad form. So you're probably going to need to write this down so that you have it. It's negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c. And that's all over 2 times a. Okay, so the next question is what are all these b's and a's and c's? Well, in the equation, they label the number that's in front of the x squared, that's your a. The number in front of the x is your b. And the number in front of that's by itself, chilling by itself, that is your c. So all you need to do is take those numbers and put them into the equation. So a equals negative 7, b equals 2, and c equals 10. So if I was doing this problem, this is exactly how I would do it. I would write down my ABC, write down the formula, and then just plug those numbers into the formula. So we have b equals negative 2 plus or minus b squared, which is 2 squared, minus 4 times a is negative 7, and c is 10. That's all over 2 times negative 7. Alright, so now all you need to do is just simply simplify the equation. So we have negative 2 plus or minus 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times negative 7 times 10. So negative 4 times negative 7, that is 7, 14, 21, 28. That's positive 28 times 10 divided by 2 times negative 7 equals negative 14. Okay, then we can keep going. So negative 2 plus or minus square root of, wait, this should be square roots, sorry. Square root of 28 times 10 equals 280. So 284. 28 times 10, 280, plus 4 equals 284. Divided by negative 14. Let me see what my answers look like. Okay, so here comes the hard part. We need to find factors that can come out of the square root. Oh man, I wasn't anticipating this. So we're going to take this thing right here, bring that over here. So square root of 284. So we need factors of 284. How about, let me get my calculator. So 284 divided by 4? 71. Oh buddy, that's good. So 4 and 71. Is that one of the answers? Okay. Can 71 be anything? I don't think so. Okay, so this 284 changes into 4 times 71. Well, the square root of 4 is 2. So we got 2 times the square root of 71. So we're going to replace this with 2. So we have negative 2 plus or minus 2 times square root of 71 divided by negative 14. Alright, so then the next tricky part is that you got negative 2 and a 2 here and a 14 here. They're all divisible by 2. So let's take negative 2 divided by 2 equals negative 1. And then 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So let's just get rid of that. And then negative 14 divided by 2 equals negative 7. So we got a lot of stuff going on. Alright, so I got negative 1 plus or minus square root of 71 divided by negative 7. I'm guessing that is, in my answer choices up here, I'm guessing that's none of the above. So this is pretty tough stuff. So let's try that, see if that's right. Oh yeah, got it, 3 leaves. Okay, so this one is gonna take, you may need to watch the video again. This one's probably gonna take you like 2 days at least to be able to do all this. So make sure to watch the video, write down the formula, put the numbers in, do all the multiplication and squaring and square roots and all that, and then ask for help if you need it, and I will see you in the next video.